Familiar ba kayo sa video na to?
I entirely beg you, people and government of the DPR Korea, for your forgiveness. Please, I have made the worst mistake of my life.
North Korea is the most isolated country sa buong mundo. It's like an open-air prison. Walang internet, walang freedom, walang religion, at walang access sa outside world. May isang American college student who went to Korea for supposed to be 5 days tour. At siya ay si Otto Warmbier. So kung i-describe natin si Otto Warmbier, siya yung klase ng tao na mahilig mag-travel. He has sense of curiosity at fearless. He ended up second from his class, so masasabi natin na matalino si Otto. Otto and his tour group stay in the most luxurious hotel in North Korea. So to give you some idea about this hotel, ang target ng hotel na to is mostly mga foreign tourist people. So you can find anything in this hotel, like sauna, swimming pool, barbershop, salon, name it. Yangaku International Hotel consists of 47th floor. Pero there's something weird sa hotel na to kasi mapapasin mo pag pumunta ka ng elevator, the 5th floor is missing. So walang button sa 5th floor. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 5th floor exists pero it's strictly prohibited. So may sariling daan yung 5th floor na yon, pero that is for stop only. Noong January 1st, 2016, isang video footage ang lumabas na nagpapakita na may isang lalaking tangkang nakawin ang mga artwork sa forbidden floor. At siya ay si Otto Warmbier. Otto and his tour group are about to go to the plane going to China when Otto was arrested. Ang sinabi ng mga Korean officer na nag-aresto kay Otto na hindi siya maging part ng flight because Otto is sick and he have to go to the hospital. Sa loob ng 3 linggo, everyone are looking for Otto. His friends, his family, his parents, pero wala silang balita. Hanggang sa lumabas ang press conference na to. February 29, 2016, isang press conference ang sinagawa sa North Korea. Otto confesses his crime.
I entirely beg you, people and government of the DPR Korea, for your forgiveness. Please, I have made the worst mistake of my life.
So North Korea accused an American college student na plano daw patumbahin ang gobyerno ng North Korea sa pamamagitan ng pagnakaw ng propaganda poster. Sa North Korea, disrespecting the figure or the picture of their leader is a horrible crime. Ganun kalala. The CCTV footage is very questionable. Kasi unang-una napakalabo niya at parang hindi mo na makita yung tao sa video. I'm sure na hindi lang yun ng kaisa-isang CCTV footage sa kanilang hotel. Ang nakakapagtaka lang, bakit wala silang mailabas na iba pang video? At dahil sa kanyang admission, Otto was sentenced in 15 years in prison. Pero hindi sumuko ang kanyang parents pati na rin ang US government. Otto was released back to his family in the US na comatose.